Hi, I'm Bry Cox, BryCoxWORKSHOPS.com. I want to show you a fun new product that I've been really enjoying and thought you guys might like to see it. Maybe you've already got one, but right now I've been using this quite a bit, this BlackRapid Tripod Wrap. So I usually keep it on my main tripod. I put it on this one just so you could see it here. But what it is it's like a gear bag that wraps around your tripod, and when you fold it up, it's actually got this extra mesh layer you can wrap around and keep all the pockets, everything intact. You walk around, you set it back up. So if you're on location and you've got a bunch of little things you want to keep with you, and it's super handy. But what I like it for is right here in the studio, particularly when I'm shooting video or kids, things like that, everything's right here. So I like my studio space to be really clean, right? There's the toys and stuff I use with kids, they're hidden. Things like my meter and Expodisc I'm using constantly throughout a shoot, right? If they're not in here, they're like in the back of the studio, like in my camera bag on a table, right? So that way there's no clutter. I don't know if you've seen other people's studios. A lot of times there's just so much clutter. There's things that we just feel like we need to use all the time. So many years ago, I got rid of all of that and put them in boxes that you can kind of slide out and grab something and put the box back in the shelf. And that's really helped. But then it also means I'm walking back to the end of the back of the studio and back quite a bit. So having this right here in the room right as I'm shooting is great. So a few things I've got in here are like in the small pocket here, I've got my Expodisc, which I use all throughout a shoot to constantly check not only white balance, but my perfect exposure. And if you don't have that, or like here's my meter, I keep in this bigger pocket. If you're not using these all throughout a shoot, you should be. And check out my whole video on that. I have a whole video showing you why to do it and how to do it, right? But then I've also got, like this is a big lens pocket here, and it's got some nice features, but I use it for my stuffed animals. And this way they're out of sight so that kids aren't immediately want to play with my toys and not be in the photo shoot. But when it comes time to do my little puppet shows, I pull this out, get everybody to smile, and then it goes right back away. It's hidden, closed up, it's all gone, nobody can see it. And anyway, lots of cool like mole here with hooks so you can hang other accessories and things they've got. But I've really enjoyed this. So if you're looking for a nice way to kind of organize your studio, or even just have some of those essential things with you right there on your tripod when you're shooting kids or doing a video production shoot or families or anything like that, look at this bag, the BlackRapid, I believe this is called like the Tripod Wrap. If you go to the website, you can see it. Super handy, and when it folds up, this, let me see if I can do it one-handed here. It all is Velcro, so then this wraps all the way around, keeps all your stuff intact, and then, I'm doing a terrible job here. But anyway, you can see that you can keep all your stuff together, walk around, and it's all right there on your bag. All right, cool new product. Anything you guys are enjoying, that you're liking, that some new fun thing that you just bought and like, let me know. I'm always curious to see what photographers like. It's always fun getting new gear, isn't it? All right, you guys, if you want more training, things like on lighting, Photoshop, sales, business, even video production, check out my training workshop website. It's called BryCoxWORKSHOPS, BryCox Workshops.com. All right, you guys, until next time, America.